Mihango-ini ya gutigira ciuthi cia kamari guku bururi-ini ni iraramatwo na njira iria igwete. Thirikari kugera ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni itanyite gucokia arugamiria makambuni ma ciuthi ici aria ni ageni mabururi-ini mao, gugituika aingi aria marugamire mithako ino matiri na marua ma kuhura biacara ino. Mukano uyu urutitwo ni minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i na mwandiki mukaru wa ruhonge rwa uthami Gordon Kihalangwa aria maugite aria mambeirie ciuthi ici marua mao ma gukorwo ku bururi-ini marathoma mabiacara ngurani na maria maratwarithia ihinda-ini riri.
There are some people who indicated they were coming to do certain jobs, but they have actually ended up doing betting. It therefore becomes very difficult to account for such a people. A work permit is given for a specific work for a specific period.
Anyone here who is not in Kenya genuinely, or who applied for something else and they ended up in the gaming sector and the gambling sector, I am ready to sign the deportation order today. They leave the country.
Maruru ma Matiang'i magiakirio makiria ni wingi wa aria marugameire biacara ino, kuria hithurite gicunji kia 90 hari igana kia aria mari biacara-ini ino ni raia mabururi ma nanja na matirihite igoti kuri thirikari iria muigana wa ciringi bilioni 26.
On the night of 30th, those who will not have submitted their tax compliance certificate plus the backup and so on, we deem that they are not in operation, and therefore that's why the police are here and that's why the DCI is here. We close them up. And that's the end of the story. We have to clean up this sector.
Maya magiuka riri muingi wa bururi makiria mbeu njithi uthiete na mbere gutobokerera ciuthi-ini cia kamari, kuria aingi maugite mationaga umithio wa mithako ino iria riu one cungiriirie ikuo cia amwe yao.
Na betaga beti ya muhindi na sipatagi kitu, labda hata nikipata kitu kikubwa ni 200-500. Naona hiyo ni hasara.
Mukano uyu ukirutwo mweri umwe na nuthu mbere ya kuhingwo gwa ciuthi imwe iria itegukorwo ikinyanirie ikiro iria irutitwo ni bodi ya kuramata ciuthi ici gugikinyeria tariki 1 mweri-ini wa 7.
The policy and the regulation.
Oho Matiang'i ni athanite kurorwo weru kwa marua ma biacara ici, amwona watho wa guciramata gukorwo ukirorwo weru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.